brand new roof located in a great location in Lehigh Acres on a oversized corner lot. Can't wait to show you my new listing at 3301 25th Street West. Let's take a tour. Beautiful curb appeal, set up high with that brand new roof, fresh mulch, nice landscaping, and check out this darling screened in front porch. All right, and welcome inside. You'll see nice and open living. Walk right into your great room area that combines in with your kitchen. This home has been lovingly cared for. Only 2 owners. Got granite countertops, vaulted ceiling, nice and open and inviting. This home does have a split bedroom design. One side of the house, that's got your bedroom 2. Nice size. You've got bedroom 3. Multiple windows in both of the bedrooms. And you've got a shared bath, tub with tiles around. Same granite carried in to the bathroom. Okay, we're going to carry over to the other side of the home and the primary suite. Again, really large, oversized bedroom. Lots of room for dressers. You can see there's a desk set up in here. A nicely sized walk-in closet, especially for the size of this home. And you've got your bathroom ensuite, again with your cabinets and counters carried through with a walk-in shower. And we've got a linen closet in here as well. Don't want to forget the closet. And off the kitchen area, you have your laundry room with a sink and storage. And it leads you out into your 2-car garage with a screen door, just like the front door, to let in all that loveliness. And they're getting ready to start packing up, but good size garage here with storage and a door to bring you outside. So I'm standing in front of one of our current listings out in Lehigh Acres, and when we talk about investing, this is a location that a lot of people do look into. As you can see, wide open spaces, there is still growth happening, there are a lot of people moving to this area, and most importantly, most of it is not an HOA. So what does that mean if you're an investor? It means more ROI. So we tend to, everybody talks, when we talk about all the different strategies and what it might be, this is one that we personally have used, is that we try to buy long-term rentals for buy and holds in areas that have no HOA so that we can maximize our profits. And the amazing backyard, really nice undercover space. You can see how much sunlight is in the backyard of the home. Some beautiful trees. This lot does stretch back into those trees there. Very nice size. Some beautiful landscape. The birds are chirping. The sun is shining. So Lehigh Acres is just outside of Fort Myers, and it is a great spot. It has a lot of affordable homes, a lot of growth, a lot of new things coming to this area. And it's also a nice opportunity for investors because this home, like many in Lehigh Acres, is not in an HOA community, which helps with your ROI. If you're interested in learning more about this house or any other home in Southwest Florida or anywhere in the country, please give me a call at 239-776-6872. I would love to share all the details and see how you can live joy in Florida too.